Education is one of the key sectors affected by the outbreak of the coronavirus in Nigeria. This is as schools have remained shut by the government over fears of widespread infection of the deadly disease. The implication, however, is the economic hardship on teachers, especially in the private school system, who have not been paid salaries in the past months. At a news conference in Abuja, National President of the Private School Teachers (NAPST), Comrade Akhigbe Olumhense, called for the intervention of both the federal and state governments and other good-spirited individuals on the plight of over 10,000 of its members who are presently suffering as a result of the continuous closure of schools.
Sadly, the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic has greatly compounded the plight of the private school teachers in Nigeria. Across the states, a good number of private school teachers were last paid in February 2020. The closure of schools for the whole of third term of 2019-2020 academic session means no tuition payments, and obviously salaries for the month running will not be paid also. Private school teachers are facing difficult times currently with no hope in sight, as of when the lockdown on schools will be lifted. The states and the federal government have not considered private school teachers as a group that deserves palliatives, whereas they are in the group of vulnerable Nigerians.
While commending the federal government for putting together a 2.3 trillion naira stimulus package for private schools and other businesses, the association, however, raised doubts on private school owners accessing such palliative to pay salaries.
We are looking at various ways private school teachers can be supported to enable us survive during this very difficult time. We want private school teachers to be provided with interest-free loans to enable us survive and pay our bills for now, with a guarantee to pay back as soon as school resumes in a gradual manner. All private school teachers deserve to be shown care at a time like this to help us survive the agonizing situation we are passing through. If nothing is done quickly to address the problem at hand, skilled teachers with experience might be forced to dump the profession, which will in turn affect the quality of education in Nigeria.
The body also applauded the support it has received from the Federal Ministry of Education, with assurances of prompt response from the government. CNN News.